And we're back. Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Talk Now live with Larry. And he is back. Your lovable technical analysis, crypto friendly and family crypto dog. Patches is back. Amazingly, his tablet started working this morning and I found it once again on the ground. So could it be perhaps that Patches has fixed his own? He has actually fixed his own tablet. We can add that to his resume. Apparently, he is a hardware expert in terms of fixing computers, maybe. I don't know. Well, he did. It is just a tablet, and he is just a dog. So we are striving for crypto broadcast excellence. Thanks to everyone that watches this network that we're building. And we have a crypto dog as our technical analysis expert, just to keep it fair for everyone else. All right. So let's say hello to everybody in the chat. And we have so much to talk about. But before we do that, actually, let's recognize some extra special people. Everyone is special, and I appreciate you guys being here. But let's recognize some extra special people. I'm going to read this list. These are the OGs of the OGs. These are the first ever 9 members of the first 9 members. Actually, Common Sense was the very first. Selmo Fudd was the second. Tim Shea, and so on and so forth. These were the first ever YouTube members for Crypto Talk Now. I believe it's like $5 a month. We have other levels, but I wouldn't recommend getting them because they don't offer you any benefit as of yet. So it's only $5 a month. But anyway, this is special recognition for Common Sense, Selmo Fudd, Tim Shea, Crypto Lotto Group, Michael Cornwell, Kramit, Legrand Commission, Samuel, Don't Call Me Captain Hook, and of course, Edward Vincent. Thank you all. And now, getting into the chat and saying hello to everyone that's here currently. Who do we have? I'm back. You're first. Thank you. You didn't necessarily win anything today, but however, everyone listening has a chance to win. What do you have a chance to win? My personal, it is not sponsored. This one, that's why I'm saying it's my personal, but I'm donating to the community, to you guys. It is a WAGMI NFT from the Genesis collection, their first collection of WAGMIs. NFTs. Now it's not an alien. It's a human, whatever it is, a warrior. So it has a little bit of rarity. I'm told it's worth between 0.7 and 1 ETH. I will be giving it away on August 15th, live on the show. You have to be actually live on the show. We're going to do it on Max and Larry's show at the 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time slot. Look, you guys can't miss us because there's no excuse. There's 2 shows a day because you've asked for coverage that way. 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's no excuse. April 5th. Sorry, I keep thinking about taxes. August 15th is the day that I'm giving it away. We're giving it away on this show at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, that show. All you have to do is 3 things. Follow me on Crypto Talk Now 21. Follow Max at DPG Maximus and simply message me the word giveaway and you're automatically entered. Now, you can do the word giveaway to my direct message on Twitter once a day. Every time you do that, it increases your opportunities of winning. Thank you so much. And thank you to everybody that's here. Let's close out the YouTube stuff. Look, there's my thumbnail. We'll get into why I chose that message. All right. So who else is here? I'm first. There's an alarm going off. All right. Blue Whale Ricky. I don't think it's a wise decision to buy a Lunatics token, which was just put on Coinbase. That's the part I find hard to believe. The part about where it was put on Coinbase, I don't think that's I think you might be mistaken with that. I can't imagine that happening for something like that. And I did not invest in it. I know that some people do well with new tokens, and they probably have done well with this, but I just happened not to get into it. I extended an olive branch when I guess a couple devs were on this channel the other day. I said, well, if you want to tell me more about your token, you can message me Crypto Talk Now 21 directly, and they did not message me, so that's on them. Perhaps I would have purchased it if I knew more about it. I know Max went over, did 2 or 3 videos on it. We talked about it in a live stream, but I would prefer to talk to the devs directly. This is a bad decision, I think, personally, and not financial advice. All right. When Ironlux Trader says, when wrench, I just gave you one, my friend. I saw that comment and gave you one right before the stream started here. Okay. He's got the sunglasses on. I'm back. Ironlux Trader, what's up again? Blue Whale Ricky, give Ironlux the wrench. I did. Okay. He's your boy. All right. Ironlux Trader, what's up, brother? The Jin, how is everyone feeling today? Larry, how are you feeling today? I'm feeling great. Wrenches for everyone in the chat. Okay, well, we have to have some kind of a limit. I'm cutting off the wrench allocations on August 1st. You guys have a chance. Now, what does the wrench mean? The wrench is giving you mod privileges. Please do not abuse the privileges. Do not ban anyone from the channel. If you see something weird coming in here, like it's clearly spam, thank you so much to Joey Jones, who gave me, I had 2 Bitcoin, I sent him 2 Bitcoin, and he made me a million Bitcoin. That's just clearly a scam. Any type of adult content is a scam. But, you know, if someone disagrees with me, please do not block them. If they disagree with Max, please do not block them. If they're being really aggressive and abusive towards someone else, perhaps put them in timeout and then give them a chance. Look, this is a network built on freedom of speech. As long as I'm not dead, it'll, and I'll put something in place in writing so that it'll continue on that way. It has to be freedom of speech here. So please don't abuse your wrench privilege. It is a privilege. I'm back. That's what the wrenches mean. Yes, I answered your question. Iron Lux Traders. Yes, sir. At Blue Whale Ricky, thank you. I'm back. I'm really thinking about liquidating my position in Theta. I don't know anything about Theta. I think you might have mentioned it the other day. And adding Hbar. Yeah, Hbar is on my short list. What does this mean right here? What is Larry trying to tell us? I don't even know. Larry is being a little bit efficient with his time. So he took a past thumbnail, the background here with these tokens and coins, whatever, and threw his picture on here, which he uses frequently. And this time he put up a stop sign. Why? Because I've stopped everything. I'm just waiting. I'm in a wait and see mode. That's what the message is. I'm not doing anything. I'm waiting and reading and learning and seeing and trying to believe and figure out what the hell the Federal Reserve is going to do. When the old man comes out of the cave, I will know. Perhaps I'll know on the 27th. They're starting the meeting tomorrow, and it's going to go on for 2 days. Why? I don't even know. To me, I don't think they even need to meet that long. But I don't run the Federal Reserve, and I'm sure that they're not just talking during that meeting. They're probably having some extracurricular activities, festivities, perhaps, because no meeting needs to last for 2 days. It's just too damn boring. All right, Crypto Talk now. Thank you so much to Xlm Qnt. Me and Patches are here in the studio, and we thank you for your generous $5 donation. It's very kind of you. Patches agrees. He's actually looking directly at you and thanking you. If he could talk to you, he would say thank you as well. All right, but he is, remember, just a dog, but he's not just any dog. He's your crypto family-friendly dog that also doubles at night. And actually, you know what? He's fixated on this bubble. He's fixated on the Luna Classic bubble. Why? Because we don't have an updated background for him yet. Because why? Because Johan is on a leave of absence while he works on a special project for a special client. All right, so there we go. He will be back eventually. We will get a lot of technical upgrades at that point. All right, so much to talk about. If you don't believe me, look at all these tabs I have open. I don't even know if I can fit this in. I'll try my best to do the best I can with your help, but I have so much to talk about, and most of it's going to be what you want to talk about. All right, and it could be a little wrong. I'll talk about something that bothers you or something. All right, I'm back. Oh, the doggy. Yes, the doggy is back. Patches, Sir Patches is back. If we wanted to consider him a royal dog, we would perhaps say Sir Patches. Andre, 92, what's up, people? Thank you so much, Andre. Appreciate you being here. You're special to me. I haven't seen you in the comments before, and I do appreciate you being here every day, 3 p.m., 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, Coochie Boy, what's up, team? Thank you. We are a team and a family. Tim Shea says, hey, Blue Whale Ricky. Oh, how I missed watching Patches lick himself. Yeah, well, he has to stay clean. He has to stay looking nice for the ladies. He rolls around in the dirt and mud and stuff like that. And he gets, he goes to his puppy spa or he gets washed here and he gets cleaned up pretty nicely. He has to, maintain his image of a beautiful looking dog. Blue Whale Ricky, it's on there. Go look at Coinbase and see. Really? I have a small Coinbase account just to see. I will look on Coinbase right now. Opening up the Coinbase wallet, as you see. The Coinbase app, I'm sorry. Are you sure it's not just on your wallet? All right, Lunatics token, you think so? I will try to find it. I think. Holy crap. All right, it's listed on there, but can you buy it? All right, it's listed. There it is, listed right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Well, I'm messing up the lighting. It is on there, but I don't see the ability to trade it. Volume is 740,000 according to this Coinbase app. I do not see any button where I can push trade, buy, sell, nothing. So it's listed. Oh, here it is right here. It says this asset is not supported by Coinbase. So when you guys, this is a good thing. When you guys see things on Coinbase or crypto.com or whatever exchange, it might mean that they're just, showing you, they're keeping tabs of the chart and the volume and all that, but it's not officially a listing where you can buy and sell it. All right. Thank you for that clarification. Thank you for the clarification, Larry. Iron Lux Trader, Larry, thanks, brother. All right. Here's somebody new. Nahali, the Mississippi Moro. I'm not sure what the reference is there. Nahali, the Mississippi Moro salute. And I salute you. Thank you for being here. Okay. So much to talk about. Should we start talking about the news? All right. Well, let me see if I can find it. You got to bear with me. But first of all, oh my God, what happened? Larry, the bull run was supposed to start like 3 days ago when the guy told me it was starting. It doesn't look like a bull run to me. I might be, colorblind or something. I don't see any green here in the top 100, but that doesn't mean anything, I guess. It means exactly what I told you guys. I told you guys like 2 weeks ago, Bitcoin would pump to 300,000. Bitcoin would pump in the next couple weeks to 23. There's the 3. To 24,000 because I'm not as convicted. And it will have a sharp decline or crash from there. That's exactly what has happened. That's precisely what's happened. But I thought that the big influencers on Twitter were saying, oh, once we break 24, we're going to keep going. It doesn't ever go like that. We're going to keep going. We're going to go from 24 to 28 to 30 and up to infinity and beyond. What's the name of that movie? The little cartoon characters. Buzz Lightyear to infinity and beyond. That's what we're doing. All right. Well, we're not doing that. Not yet. We're not going to infinity and beyond right now. This is my favorites in the top 100, of course. And there's so much news to talk about. So let me get to it. Everything is centered around this. This is what I'm waiting for on the 26th, 27th. I guess they'll make the announcement on the 27th. To me, they only need 1 day. And they only need to meet for 2 hours, but they're not going to. They're going to deliberate about nothing. I've already made their decisions. I don't even know why they even meet. Stuff is planned out months in advance. Fed to implement second 3/4, 75 basis point rate rise amid uncertainty over the next steps. All right, this is courtesy of Yahoo Financial Times. All right, so then can we get in here? Where's the rest of the article? I thought I had. Oh, here it is. I think this next tab. All right, so is this the right one? Yeah, this is it. Now they can put a nice picture there or whatever. All right, the Federal Reserve. Now, who is this through? Yeah, it is through through the Financial Times. All right, thank you, Financial Times. It's posted. All right, so I don't know. All right, so the Federal Open Market Committee on Wednesday is set to confirm market expectations and raise its benchmark. This is a key phrase, market expectations. So could it be perhaps the stock market in the U.S. and I guess other world markets is already anticipating this, which means maybe crypto market is thinking, this is already built in. Maybe. I've been saying it for a while. It might already be built in. I don't really know. That will hoist the federal funds rate to a target range of 2.25% to 2.50%, in line with officials' long-term estimates of a neutral policy setting. Really? Well, let's look at history, shall we? All right, I've Googled it, and let me just see if I can find it. Now, right here. Let's go back just a couple years. What happened with the Fed, not in 2019, but in 2020? Thank you to thebalance.com for this data. That's what I look at. I look at data. I may not read a lot of charts, but I look at information and I read about stuff. In 2020, the GDP decreased 3.4%. Inflation was 1.2% and unemployment was 6.7%. Now, they are officially saying back in 2020 that there was a recession, but it only lasted for 2 months. and then everything, went nuts. All right, so that's what happened. Now keep this number in mind. Inflation was 1.2%, and unemployment was still pretty high, 6.7%. Okay, so what did the Fed do? On March 3rd, the Fed's fund rate was 1.25%. All right, so then it went down from there. April 29th, June 10th, this is where it's been at, 0.25. Now, fast forward to 2021. GDP increased by 6.9% in 2021, the largest one-year jump since 1984. Right, so we're being highly productive. Gross domestic product was increased by 6.9%. That's not happening right now, but this happened last year. The largest one-year jump since 1984. What an interesting year that is. There's a book written like that, right? All right. On the other hand, inflation also increased by 7%. You see that? The largest increase since 1982. So now we're seeing something going on with inflation in 2021, right? But still, the Fed funds rate was this, 0.25%. There you go. Event, effectively nothing happened. Apparently nothing happened in 2021, according to this chart or data. Inflation continued to run hot. Now we're talking about 2022. At the beginning of 2022, you guys know this stuff, all right? So inflation was, really ticking up in 2021. Now it's running hot. 2022, year over year, inflation was 7.9% in February, right? Okay, there you go. That's facts. Now, the target federal funds rates for 2022. Date, Federal Reserve funds rate event. Okay, this is the three headlines right here. The categories: date, Fed funds rate, and event. Now pay attention. January 22nd, it was still at 25%. I'm sorry, 0.25%. Effectively, nothing happened. There was no event. Events is what the Fed Reserve is trying to respond to. Are calling them events. March 16th, then it's 0.5%, right? The event, why did it go that way? Because of inflation. That's what they're blaming it on. That's what they're trying to do is curb it. Now, May 4th, 1% it was at. What happened? The Russian invasion of Ukraine, and China starts to lock things down again. Thank you so much for clarifying that. And that sucks that everyone was getting locked down in China, but this is what happened. So the Fed, do you see how the markets are tied together? Why would the Federal Reserve care about China? Why? Because the Federal Reserve is not part of the federal government. It runs the monetary supply and it affects all markets. That's why they care about what's going on in China. And you should too. June 15th. Okay, that was what? A month and maybe 10 days ago, something like that. Now, all of a sudden, it's up to 1.75%. Why? What was the event that caused that? Why are they raising the rates? We saw what happened. Okay, they don't even point it out here. I will tell you right now. I will remind you guys. You guys are smart, and Patches even remembers. He's always here, even if he's not on camera. He's listening. He's listening to you guys. If we can read the comments, it'd be better. But I have to read them for him. 75 basis points. We raised it. The Fed Reserve raised it on June 15th last month. What was that? The highest single rate increase since 1994. Say it again with me. The highest increase since 1994. Now, are they going to do it again? This information is pulled from the Federal Reserve when it releases the monetary policy stance of the Federal Open Market Committee 8 times a year. They're meeting again tomorrow. No, sorry, 2 days. Tomorrow, starting tomorrow for 2 days, the 26th and the 27th. That's when we're going to get our announcement, maybe. When will the Federal Reserve raise interest rates? You know how they always are clever and say the Fed? It's really the Fed Reserve. The Federal Reserve typically signals its interest rate plans ahead of any changes. The dot plot is one tool that analysts can use to see where the members stand on where interest rates should go. The Federal Reserve also releases meeting notes, and members regularly speak to the public and Congress. What happens when the Fed raises interest rates? When the Federal Reserve influences interest rates, those effects ripple throughout the interest rate environment. Oh, like housing, right? That's why you're seeing the housing slowdown, which I've already said that was going to happen. And it's already happened. And we're, by the way, we're already in recession, but no one will. They're waiting for some special person has to announce it. Or not so special. That means anything that involves interest rates will be affected. Do you see? If the Fed raises rates, you will pay higher interest rates on debt like credit cards and mortgages, but you will receive higher interest payments on your savings and bonds. Oh, please, you're not going to get anything from your savings account. But you are going to give the ability, if you have a nice savings account, you're going to get the ability to buy a lot of crypto when everything crashes. Or maybe it doesn't crash, it just corrects. I don't even know. But this is what I'm saying. This is the highest since 1994. Are they going to do it again? Perhaps they are. That's what they're saying. So how will the market affect? Has it really been built in this time? We are in unprecedented times. This has never happened before in the crypto market. It's never been this bad. The macro economy has never looked this bad, or has it? Has it looked this bad since back in 2020 when you know what happened? Everybody was locked down. I would say no, because things really boomed, from there. The recession was only a couple months long. All right, let's get to the comments and we'll get back to what I want to talk about and what you guys want to talk about. All right. I didn't get a wrench, but it's okay. Can't wait to learn. Do you want a wrench? Message in the comments. If you want a wrench, I'll give you one. I didn't get a wrench, but it's okay. Can't wait to learn about Qnt. Yep, XRP and ISO since I hold them. Okay. Well, we have more information on Qnt. All right. Let's see. All right, yeah, there's no more super chats. I just want to make sure I didn't miss one. All right. Blue Whale Ricky, 75 and 75 possible in September. And it's already figured. It's already all right. 75 and 75 possible in September, and it's figured in already. And I'm buying lows. Okay, it might be, it could be, but I will tell you this: there's going to be more pain. Why? Because some people are going to try to sell their houses, and they're going to think it's going to sell in a one day, and it might not be the case. But at the same cruel time, I don't see rents really falling. I don't see that happening at all. Now, that's going to have an effect. Are the prices of food going to just start going down that fast? I don't know. I don't think so. How about gas? Maybe. The supply chain, maybe. The war, who knows? So I don't know. I would proceed with extreme caution right now. But that's just me. Pat Murphy, Blue Whale Ricky Y. Uncle Bam Bam. Hello, everyone. Hello to you and your beautiful Kubota tractor. Blue Whale Ricky. Why what? Andre, 92. Thumbs up. Pat Murphy. Why not buy Lunatics token? Because they never contacted me. I asked the dev team to contact me directly so I could learn more about it, and they didn't do it. If you want me to buy something, you need to message me directly. If you want me to promote something, you need to message me directly. We've already given them a ton of free airtime, and they didn't even reach out to us. Max probably talked about Lunatics token like just as much as some other influencers, but they just continue to ignore us. I don't know why. Everyone ignores us. There's no sponsors that are knocking on my door, and that's what needs to happen. But if it doesn't happen, then we'll just self-fund, and you guys can help me out with that, and there you go. And everyone will be fine. I'm prepared to go, years if we need to. Iron Lux Trader, Coochie Boy, Selmo, Tim, Pat, the Gin, Uncle, saying hello to all these guys. All right, Coochie Boy, crypto doesn't stop. Maybe become the world's reserve currency. How soon? Who knows? Well, remember, we're fighting against the fiat, which is going to be the digital dollar. That's what Bitcoin's fighting against, and crypto in general. Bitcoin is not the most advanced technology anymore in crypto, but it doesn't have to be. It just needs to win the battle with fiat, and that's a tough battle to win. Coochie Boy, what's up, Lux? All right, the Gin, Iron Lux Trader, Selmo Fudd, Iron Lux Trader, Stardog, welcome back. It's happening. They're taking off. It's fire. All right. Yes, you can buy it. I do not believe so. With all due respect, I do not see you being able to buy it on Coinbase. Maybe you're using your Coinbase wallet or something. I don't know. But you cannot trade. I can just proved it as a fact. You cannot buy Lunatics, whatever it's called, token on the BNB smart chain through Coinbase. It's impossible. It's not listed on Coinbase. Not at this moment. Maybe they're talking about listing it on there, or maybe somebody tricked you and showed you, some influencer showed you was on Coinbase, but it's not. It's just something that you can see on there, like a chart, a price. Coochie Boy, which crypto will become the world's reserve currency? Will it be XRP? I think it'll be, hate to say this, it'll be the digital dollar. Will be the world's reserve currency, but that's just my opinion. Pat Murphy, Blue Whale Ricky, you said not to. Edward Vincent, Patches is leaning towards Luna. Yes, he does. He's a lunatic. He has a lot of affection for Luna Classic and their investors, holders. Blue Whale Ricky, Pat, I'm not buying Lunatic's token. Andre92, let's go Shiba. No matter how long, oh, sorry, I botched it up. Let me start again. Let go Shiba. Or let's go Shiba. No matter how low it gets, I'm in for the long haul. Yes, that's a good philosophy for not financial advice, but remember, I'm a crypto philosopher, so I can get away with it without people getting mad. It's a good, sound, sage philosophy to be in things in the market for the long haul. I'm a big proponent of Shiba Inu. It's just that it just needs to deliver its Shibarium and everything else. Tim Shea, hey Iron. All right. Blue Whale Ricky, 17K was the bottom. Just wait and see. Okay, let's see. That's the optimal phrase. I'm waiting and seeing. I'm on the sidelines, not buying anything right now. The Jin, at now Holly, like the avatar image. Nagal. I hope I'm saying that right. All right. Stardog, Quant is crashing hard. Oh, good. That means it'll be closer to the bottom when I'm looking to accumulate it. Maybe. Where is it? All right. So let's see. He's saying it's crashing hard. Well, we can just go to the friendly crypto bubbles that are easy to look at. I know some people don't like crypto bubbles, but they don't sponsor the show. They don't need to do that because we just like using it. All right. So they don't need to ever sponsor us. It's fine. I'm totally fine. It's easy. Remember something, guys. I have to do a live show, so it can be a little difficult. This makes my life a little easier. I know some people like to look at charts. Oh, you're just looking at bubbles. Well, you know what? I'm talking in front of a live audience on your TV right now. So just keep that in mind, or on your phone or tablet or whatever you're watching. Okay, so look. Now here you go. It's down 10%. Okay, well, what goes up must go down. What goes down must go up. So it's not a surprise. It doesn't mean that it's bad. It means it's good for me anyway, because eventually, hopefully, will get lower and lower and lower. Because if this is the one that people want to buy, then look, the lowest in the last 12 months was $45. I don't know if it's going to go that low. I mean, I don't even know, but we'll wait and see. I'm being cautiously optimistic. Remember, I'm not a trader. I'm not a day trader. I'm not a swing trader. I'm something that I'm an accumulator. I'm somebody that accumulates at good prices. I want to buy good cryptos at fair prices. I can't summarize it any better than that. Stardog. And I will also like to buy distressed cryptos. I got 4.4 million SHIB. Ain't getting no more or less. Just letting it roll. All right. Thank you for that input. As I have some water. Iron Lux Trader. Smash the like button. Thank you. Brian Dowie. Sorry, late for class. Well, a lot of times you guys are the teachers and I'm the student, or independent observer, or someone that's learning. So there. And so it's not always about me teaching you guys. It's about you guys teaching me. I know people are like, well, why would you? Does anybody else say that? Does any other influencer say that? I don't even know. Look, I don't watch anybody. Why? Because I hate everyone? No, because I'm busy trying to build a network, and I'm also busy trying to read about crypto. All right, Star. Wait. Nope, I missed this one. At Pat. You do what you want based on your research. I'm not a financial advisor. I do my stuff through my financial advice from, Michael Cornwell and Hump Not Dump. Okay, that's funny. All right, Stardog. When Polygon technology shoots the old man out of the cave, everything is going to zero. You think so? Oh, now Polygon is behind it. That's what they're doing. They're making a deal with Disney, and they're going to perhaps rendezvous. Maybe we better not use rendezvous in the same sentence with Elon Musk. They're going to rendezvous with Elon Musk, or maybe a nice looking lady is going to rendezvous with Elon Musk. And they're going to come up with the most amazing technology to shoot the old man out of the cave so he can announce interest rates that much quicker. Would be great. All right. So, and then go back. Then they need like a shuttle or something to drop him back in there or shoot him back. They need like a button that pushes reverse and shoots him the other way. So he can go back to the cave and go back to sleep. come back out and see his shadow or something like that when he turns into the groundhog. All right, so Tim Shea, I can't wait for the dump. And then, more importantly, the pump. Yes. But I would be fine with a prolonged dump. That would be great with it. Why? Because I'm just stacking cash on the side and waiting. I'm not selling my crypto. Don't get me wrong. I'm not selling my crypto. I'm holding on to everything. I have good stuff. I have all the good cryptos I want right now. Well, no, let me rephrase that. The stuff in my portfolio, the cryptos in my portfolio, coins and tokens are good. My portfolio is going to get better when I start adding things that I don't currently have, like Xrp, Xdc, for example, Qnt, wherever the Qnt is on here. I might take 8 out there because it's just bored. It just bores me. I'm not saying it's bad. I already have a lot of it. But yeah, I don't know if I want to buy more ADA because there's too much other stuff to buy. Blue Whale Ricky, they are waiting to say recession when something political needs them to say it. Well, that could be true. Remember, they won't tell you the real rate of inflation. It's much higher because, you know, it's not politically advantageous for them to do so. To tell the truth. Tim Shea, everyone needs, and they have a new way of calculating it now. I don't even want to get started down that rabbit hole. There's a new way that they calculate the rate of inflation. It makes things look better than they really are from a number standpoint. Tim Shea, everyone needs to do their own research because everyone's situation is different. Yes, that's true. Day trading, welcome. Oh, somebody new. And we appreciate our day traders and traders. Just because you have a different strategy, philosophy, whatever you want to call it, doesn't mean I don't have tremendous respect for you traders. In fact, I'd like to learn more about trading. But I don't, I am intrigued when a guy comes over and rebuilds the engine in my old truck. Well, I sold that. It was a 69 Ford. I sold that one. He came over and he worked on it a little bit in the driveway and stuff like that, and eventually took it and rebuilt it. The engine. I'm intrigued to watch and learn, but I don't need to actually rebuild my own engine because I'm not into that type of thing. But I wouldn't mind, I'm not going to say I'm going to turn myself into a day trader, but I wouldn't mind learning a few things. All right. Day trading, the man. And by the way, it takes a lot to be a good trader, right? You have to do a lot of study. You have to understand, and please keep your eye on the macro stuff and the micro stuff and the environment that's happening, the climate. Keep your eye on everything outside of the chart as well. The world, wars, everything. Black swan events happen. The man, red heart. Red, black heart is red. All right. Mr. Casual with a K. Hi. Hello. Thank you for coming back. Appreciate it. XXI Gaming Gammon. I would like to see a full point. Okay. Well, that would be more pain. Would be good for me anyway. As someone that wants everything to crash and burn so I can just buy and have a greater opportunity, greater upside, then that would be, from a selfish standpoint, something I'd be looking for. Tim Shea, it's nice to see Patches. Great. I'm glad that Patches made it back on camera. Like I said, the tablet wouldn't turn on yesterday. I charged it, everything, and it wouldn't just turn on. Somehow, mysteriously, he must have fixed it in the middle of the night because there's nobody else in this house except for me and him at the moment. So there you go. I don't even know. He must have fixed it. Apparently, he knows how to do a lot of things as a dog. Crypto crackhead. Everything is red. Bitcoin 12K sooner. Holy cow. That means a lot. He's a trader. So you mean to tell me that me and Richard Hart are both right? I said 12K. Richard Hart says 11K. I said it independent of him. I didn't hear him say it until after I said 12K, but he's a lot smarter, more intelligent, and has a ton more money than I do. So now the crypto crackhead is agreeing with me. So a lot of people are coming into the Larry tent, and I'm welcoming you with open arms. Why? Because I hope it crashes for our benefit so that we can buy more. I'm not buying any Bitcoin at all. I might change my mind. I might not even buy it at 12K because there's too many other good things to buy that are going to give me a better rate of return. That's just being smart. Gary James, welcome. TWT Trust Wallet. Not sure what the reference is there. Thank you for being here, Gary James. He says Troy. Gary James again says key, self-key. Please do me a favor, change your avatar so I can study it and learn who you are as a person. Coochie Boy. Did we just drop below 1 trillion gold market? That's a great question. I don't know. I haven't been paying attention that closely. Let's see. Well, this is news. There's a lot of news to talk about. Let me push this little button right here. This one. Well, it's a button on top of the screen, whatever it is, the icon. All right. So, oh yes, we have fallen slightly below 1 trillion. The global crypto market cap is 993.29 billion currently, and don't take my word for it. This is from CoinMarketCap. It's down a lot, 4.91%. Now, could this be something where everything is the crypto market is pulling back? The old man comes out of the cave. It says 75 basis points. And then all of a sudden the market starts to pump and we're on this big relief rally. I don't think it would be a bull run. That could happen because supposedly it's already been built in. So, and then they come back out in September and raise again, another 75 basis points. Then what's going to happen? So I don't know. There might be a relief rally between now and September. I don't even know. I really don't know. I'm not an expert. I'm just a crypto philosopher. So there you go. But the funny thing is that I'm right more often than not compared to these experts. Because I told you that Bitcoin was going to 23 or 24. I don't want to keep tooting my own horn, but I'll have to. And then it made a sharp correction, just like I said. It could be a crash. It might. Everyone else was saying it's going to keep going to 28. After it gets to 24, it's going to go to 28 and 30. No problem. We're on a bull run. Well, you know what? How did that work out for you? It didn't work out. Maybe it will start tomorrow. Who even knows? Don't know. But so far, I mean, I'm right and they're wrong. I'm talking about these big Twitter personalities. See, even Patches is getting tired of hearing me say it. He doesn't like me being, look, he's very egotistical and he doesn't want me to be that way. He wants me to be humble. All right, Stardog. Ethereum will drive. Ethereum will drive the dump. It'll go under 1,000. Well, it was just, that's crazy because he was just driving the relief rally. This is what I like about crypto. It's so, look, crypto is exciting. Don't you guys get excited? Losing money, making money, isn't it still exciting? The volatility, the craziness. Ethereum a few days ago, okay, we're talking about the merge. That and Ethereum Classic pumps. Now it's all of a sudden going to go the other way. This is what he's saying here. I mean, it's just interesting. Ethereum will drive the dump. It'll go under $1,000. That'll be the bottom. Then we will be in the bull market. Well, I was saying for, I don't know, a few weeks that I thought Ethereum could touch 850, but I could be wrong. But if you think the bull run starts then, look, here's the only thing, Stardog. I respect you a lot. Appreciate you being here. The only thing I need to know is from you guys, if you think the bull run's going to start, is it just going to be because, you know, crypto falls to a certain number? Is it going to be because Ethereum hits 850 and Bitcoin hits 12,000 or whatever the number is, 15,000, 16, 17,000? There goes my hand. Is that what's going to happen just because it hits a certain number, or is it going to be some type of catalyst? Is the catalyst that, hey, no big deal, we're not worried about what the Fed does. We don't care about interest rates anymore. Maybe that's the catalyst. I don't even know. But there has to be some, you guys have to outline for me 1, 2, 3, 10 catalysts. I don't know what they are. XRP wins its lawsuit. Shibarium comes out. A bunch of stuff positive happens. I don't know, but I need to see the catalyst. I want to know what the catalyst is for the next bull run. And don't tell me it's just going to hit a certain point and then we're going to go on this huge bull run. I don't see that happening. I could see it bouncing off of a number. I mean, Bitcoin wants to bounce off of 15, 16, 17K and go up for a relief rally, but I don't think that's the bull run necessarily. I don't think Bitcoin's going to 100,000 after that. I need to see some sort of facts, something that's a big catalyst to start and continue with a bull run. And I don't see that happening right now, but I'm looking at the world economy. I'm not looking at charts only. But I'm not saying you are either. I'm asking, I'm trying to get some engagement. And if you could just hit the like button. I want people to start commenting more here. All right, day trading. Well, I'm learning, actually. I'm a baby in trading, literally. I love to hear different information about crypto. That's why I'm here. I learn from you and others here. Okay, great. I think I appreciate you being humble. I'm glad that you're still learning, and it's, you know, it's an art form. Be careful because I don't know the exact statistics. You know what? Let's look up the statistics. Yeah, I can never say that. The stats. Look up the stats. How many people are successful with day trading? How many people? I'm typing in caps because I'm yelling to Google because they don't care. They're just a bunch of AIs. How many people are successful? I'm spelling it wrong. Crypto. I don't even care. I can't even spell crypto right. Crypto traders. Remember, I'm on a live audience here. I don't care. The Google will correct my spelling. I'm fat figuring everything. Are you serious? That's bad. I said it was 5%. I guess I wasn't too wrong. Apparently, it's only 3%. This is from Quora. Thank you.com. I've read things on there before. Is it true that 97% of crypto day traders lose money? Is it true? It is estimated that 95% of traders, holy crap, I've never looked it up before. And I said the other day, I bet you only 5% of the day traders are successful with crypto. I'm talking about just the day traders, not swing traders, not people that are investors, dollar cost averaging, nothing like that. Almost all traders are conscious of the widely publicized stat that 95% of traders lose money. Once you drill deeper, research implies that the number is probably going higher. The profession chews up and spits out aspiring traders at an astonishing rate. Holy crap. You mean we should be dollar cost averaging? Perhaps you might be thinking that way because look, let's see what else I can find. I thought I pulled it up earlier. All right. So, wow. Actually, an article agrees with me. Where is it? That was just a wild guess. I'm like, I bet you only 5% of people that trade in crypto that are real considered, day traders are successful. Unless they have some sort of inside info. Let's put it that way. That wouldn't be true. That wouldn't be true trading. That wouldn't be true day trading. Okay, look. Aha. Here we go. This is a good segue. What is dollar cost averaging, DCA, and how does it work? Well, I learned about it back when I was 24 years old. When I was, I better not say this because you guys are going to get mad. When I was actually doing financial planning, I had minor licenses, 663, life and health, basic stuff. I was not a CFP. I was not a certified financial planner. I worked for a large company headquartered in France. I worked for AXA Equitable in the US, but they were headquartered in France. All right, so whatever. So that's where they first taught us that, where I first learned it. All right, to lessen the impact of volatility on the overall purchase, investors use dollar cost averaging, DCA, investment technique to spread out. You know what the number one thing I learned about too doing that experience? When people would tell me that they had a lot of money, it meant that they didn't have any money to invest. Not any liquid money anyway. And when people would say that they didn't have any money and they were, walking around in jeans and a shirt and looked like, they just came out of like a junkyard or something like that, those are the ones that were multimillionaires. You can read a book I read a long time ago called The Millionaire Next Door. It's amazing. It's just you can sense by talking to someone. Someone says, "Oh, I'm a multimillionaire. I'm this and that." Okay, really? People that have money don't like to talk about it usually. And now there's another layer to that. If you're driving around in your Lamborghini in Dubai, that's probably different. We can surmise that. But if you're in this country and you're driving a really fancy car and you have a fancy house, does that really mean that you have a lot of money? I don't think so. It means that you have awesome credit usually. But sometimes people pay for things, it's good to not use your cash. It's good to use your cash for a business or for investing. And it is smart to borrow. Don't get me wrong. But some people are borrowing beyond their means and they don't have any investments. They're not putting money into their business. They're not doing anything. They're not making their money work for them. Patches is getting bored. All right. So just lay down, Patches, relax. Stretching out. All right. So to lessen the impact of volatility on the overall purchase, investors use the dollar cost averaging, DCA, investment technique to spread out the total amount to be invested among multiple purchases of target assets. Thank you to Cointelegraph and thank you, Christian Voss, for the good article here. Here's a beginner's guide to crypto trading strategies. You guys don't have to pay anybody. You can read this on your own. So, what is dollar cost averaging? Dollar cost averaging is a strategy used for investing in assets. You can use this strategy as a cryptocurrency investment strategy, but also with stocks, commodities, or bonds. The investment product doesn't matter. The strategy is so simple that you can apply it to the market. A caveman could do it. Is that what they used to say? A caveman could do it from Geico or something? I don't have Geico. All right. In the case of dollar cost averaging, it's initially about investing a certain amount of money in a predefined asset at a fixed time, just like I was saying the other day. $100 a week on Friday, $100 a week on Tuesday, and then pick your assets that you want to put it into. So what is that? Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm just looking at this from a philosophical standpoint. All right, so this is for me what I would dollar cost average into, but I'm doing something against the grain. Never try to time the market, but this time I'm going to do that. So I'm actually conflicting with my own core belief. Why? Because I feel this is the crypto opportunity of a lifetime for Larry, not for anybody else, because it's going to be an opportunity if you deem so necessary. If you deem it, it is, but it's not because I said so. Please do your own research, please. Now I lost the article. I'm always, I'm a little bit disorganized. All right, so let's see. I jump around a lot because I have to. I got to keep it interesting, and now I lost it. Dollar cost averaging, Larry. Where's the article? Did I close it out already? All right, so here. This is a good article. Okay, fixed time. Now, how does dollar cost averaging DCA work in crypto? Dollar cost averaging is a very popular strategy for cryptocurrencies. People who have periodically purchased Bitcoin in recent years have a very low average purchase price. Oh, you know what? Who doesn't have a very low purchase price is Michael Saylor, because they just said it was 30,000. That's not very low to me, but whatever. All right. The crypto market has only been around for a few years. I like Michael Saylor. I'm not going to, pick on him. He's got a lot more money than I do too. All right. And many people expect a lot from this market in the future. Nevertheless, it is not guaranteed that dollar cost averaging in Bitcoin will now provide the same return. Hint, altcoins, right? And tokens. Now, how do you start dollar cost averaging? I'm skipping ahead. Of course, it is really nice to understand how DCA works, but the most important thing is to apply the method. That means just be consistent and execute. Here's another thing that I learned. You know what you can also do? Automate everything. Now, I don't have a 401k because, I'm not working for anybody. But if I did have a current 401k, we rolled stuff over, but if I had a 401k, it's automatic. It's automatically coming out of your paycheck. It's you don't feel it. You don't have to make a conscious decision. It's putting everything on autopilot. So that's what you need to do. Put things on autopilot so you're not tempted to stop. Okay. You guys are smart. You know this already. I'm just, I'm giving you a refresher. The most common way to apply DCA is to invest a certain amount of money in an asset each month. Okay. In assets. Good. They use the word S. It's plural. This is because that means don't put all your eggs in one basket. This is because most people, remember your grandmother telling you that? This is because most people invest part of their salary, and the salary is deposited on a fixed day. Oh my God, Larry already knows all this stuff, but you know what it is? I can't explain it well enough. So that's why I'm reading it here. To make DCA method a personal plan, you need to determine a few things for yourself. Namely, okay, here it is. Let's see. Well, they're just basically saying, what do you want to choose to invest in? Can you build crypto wealth using dollar cost averaging? Even experienced investors use the DCA method to get a good entry to the crypto market. This is because they know that it is very difficult to estimate the top or the bottom price. Now, you want to know something that I do that they probably don't? Yeah, they don't even talk about it here. They don't even talk about it. I do something different as well. I actually dollar cost average out of things as well. Why? Because I'll tell you why. If, okay, so if there's some bad news surrounding something I'm invested in, do I want to just, all right, push the button and just get out? Well, sometimes I do. But if it's still decent or still good, I'll slowly get out. And that will make it so that I can be a little more logic and ration behind my investment choices. Dollar cost averaging out and also dollar cost averaging in. And try not to time, except for this one time Larry's going to try to pull off a miracle and actually try to find as close to the bottom as possible, because no one surely knows where the bottom is. I don't care if you've been in Bitcoin since 2009. You don't know. So there. All right. Man is red. Oh, it's a red heart, not black. It shows up black on my StreamYard. Iron Lux Trader, Coochie Boy, yikes, nasty red. Day trading. Last time I repeat, I sent a red heart. It's okay. It's red. I don't know why you see it black, but it's red. You know what? I don't know. Maybe on YouTube it's showing red. On here it's showing black. All right, that's fine. It's okay. Day trading. Xlm FUD. Don't trip. Buy the dip. If it's your crypto, you are not trying to flip. Wow. You see that? Xlm FUD is a lyrical genius and also perhaps a philosopher as well. So he's got me beat. Coochie boy, Iron Lux Trader about to start licking my chops. They're Iron Lux Traders laughing. All right, so and Iron Lux Trader, from my understanding, is a seasoned trader. Gary James, so you can learn things from him. TWT Troy and Self Key all in green while others in red. I'm not familiar with those, but thank you for that. Blue Whale Ricky, same thing happened last month. Before the Fed, it dumped. Then rise up again. Look back at charts. Yeah, that's fine. It's like I call it a relief rally. I don't know if it's necessarily the start of the bull run, but we'll see. There's too much bad news for me. Look, I was Xlm FUD for a second. Tim Shea, Xlmo. Coochie boy, I think Elon will start the bull run. That'd be something. Maybe he'll have an affair with the crypto market or something and stay away from the ladies for a while. Stardog, inflation has probably peaked. That could start a run when news becomes reality and supply chain problems lessen. Yes, and if they, because the Fed's already hedging its bet and saying that, well, you know, inflation's not going to be bad by the end of the year. So we'll see. Coochie boy, hey, look at my lovely Inu, laugh out loud. All right. I love Maximus Crypto. I just watched Max's video on how Quant will solve supply chain problems if only the Fed listened to Max and Quant. All right, thank you for that, Max. I love Maximus Crypto. Brian Dowie, XRP win, Ethereum 2.0, Luna Classic starts actually burning. Should help to start the bull run. All right, let's keep going. Is that what you're saying? XRP win. Yep, defeats the SEC. Ethereum 2.0. Okay, that's another good catalyst. Luna Classic starts actually burning. That's hard. Okay. Yeah, well, those are all three strong catalysts. But I don't know if it's going to be enough because remember, there's still a war going on. We still have a lot of financial issues in the world. And, you know, there's an energy crisis in Europe, China, there's a run on banks in China. There's so much bad stuff. Let's see. Day trading. Yes, this is sound fair information. All right. Coochie boy. Dang. Sad to say memes rule. Day trading. Yes, this is kind of true. Algorithm is made to hunt traders. And if you use leverage or margin, you can't be successful. Yeah, well, wasn't there a bunch of people just liquidated? Was it 57,000 people? Where is it? Oh, I'm not going to be able to find it. I have too much stuff going on in my brain. Let's see. Quant, this. Is it this one? Nope. This? No. Where's the one about the 57,000? Maybe I was looking at it the other day. 57,000 people got liquidated or something. I can't find it. Nope. That's the one I just looked up. Nope. No. XDC, no, Larry, you lost it. All right. Well, there was a bunch of people that got liquidated. You know what? I don't play around with leverage and stuff like that. So, yeah, it's dangerous. Make sure you are a seasoned trader for stuff. Learn. Xlm FUD, Tim Shea, Blue Whale Ricky. One of my buddies has a business with millions of dollars in machines, trucks, and a nice house and land, and doesn't even have $1 in his pocket all credit. Well, that's good. The only thing that cash provides is opportunity. And, you know, it's good. It's not good to have a pile of cash if you're not going to use it. So it's good to actually take the money and use it. And for me, I'm taking the money to buy more crypto that I believe in. So I still have to have the cash. Cash is always going to be better than crypto right now because that's what we use to get crypto with. Or the only other choice is to buy crypto with more crypto. So I have no choice but to let cash still be king. Cool Cat Crypto is back with Purple Cat. Iron Lux Trader Xlm FUD agreed. Time to DCA. What are you looking at? Patches is back. Thank God. Yes, he is. He's always listening to Cool Cat when I read the comments. But he just hasn't been on camera. Apparently he fixed his tablet because I sure as heck didn't do it. Cool Cat Crypto. Now I can buy. All right. Day trading. DCA is legit. The diamond strategy. You can't lose if you DCA. You must permanently add to your position. For example, every month you add 10% from your income, and in one moment you will ride a bull run. And make sure you're investing in the right things. I'll add that. Gary James, Binance charts most down, but 3 in green on my bookmarks: Self Key, TWT, and Troy. Okay. Cool Cat Crypto, come on, market drop for me. Yes. Cool Cat needs shoes. Joyce, I'm picturing a cat walking around with little shoes. Joyce, if you buy a stock or crypto at $10 a share and the price goes down to $6 a share, you buy more, you are then dollar cost averaging your price per share. That's it, folks. Yeah, you're lowering your average price. It's a simple way to look at it. All right. Gary James, TWT Trust Wall. All right. Xlm Qnt at Ironlux Trader, Xrp Quant. Cash is space. I'm glad to buy the dip. I got my eyes on stable coins. The one you call unstable stable coins. Yeah. Yep. It'll be amazing. I haven't looked at UST in a long time. Wouldn't it be something if they really do repeg UST? Is it falling down? I wanted to really this time execute my strategy if it gets to a penny again and buy. And I'm stuck. I have some at 10 cents. I just have a little bag. It'd be nice to get it again at a penny and just, watch it go to 4 or 5 cents and cash out. But yeah, that's one I would keep an eye on for me personally. Cool Cat Crypto, pissing cat got rugged. Did it really? It just only lasted for a couple days or whatever it was. Oh, here's somebody new. Thank you for being here. Telepresence Lead. Hi, what's your true take on XRP as a philosopher, of course? Okay, thank you for that. And then he says, okay, so that's the same comment. All right, so look. Here's something about XRP. Now, my thought on XRP is simple. If you're in XRP, look, I'm not in XRP, but it's in my top 3 to buy once everything crashes to a level that I'm comfortable with dollar cost averaging into. A win for XRP against the SEC is a win for you and me. Xlm Qnt. Well, it's kind of like a rhyme that he would say. And I look at it that way. I can't stop rhyming now. I look at it that way. It's a win for you and me. We must unite and be free. So there you go. So that's how I look at XRP. God, I can't stop rhyming. All right. But more importantly, in all seriousness, it's the technology that is going to compete with Swift. So look, here's a little update on XRP. XRP must hold this critical level to prevent a crash. Ripple price analysis. This is actually today. Earlier today, this was posted. Thank you to Crypto Potato. Interesting website name, cryptopotato.com. Technical analysis by Grizzly. Another interesting name. Oh, they keep it fresh. They make it interesting. All right. Although the weekly candle closed in the green yesterday, the long upper shadow shows that the selling pressure near the horizontal resistance at 38 cents is relatively high. The bears pushed the price down by 10% as of this writing. Okay, this goes on with all your technical analysis. Here's the daily moving averages, right? 34 cents, MA 20, 50, 100, and 200. 43 and 59. This is the chart. And there you go. And that's as far as I'm going. My thoughts on XRP is it's good. I'm hoping for it to crash, and I wanted to get it at 25 cents. I might, why? Because I'm being greedy. It doesn't mean I might change my strategy if I see some sort of a catalyst happening, or if I'm seeing momentum shift and this thing really starts to take off, meaning everything, then I might have to reevaluate that decision to start dollar cost averaging at 25 cents. Right now we're at 34 cents. Maybe I'll get FOMO and get in at 29 cents. I don't know. Probably I'll get FOMO. Maybe. Gary James, I put 25 pounds in TERRA and it gave me 3.60. All right, cool. Cool Cat Crypto. The cool cat likes XRP. He does. Hump, not dump. Can we read some of the breaking news on the Crypto Talk Facebook? Oh, let's see if I can find it. I have a hard time. Remember, I don't have Facebook on here. Crypto Talk Now. Oh, look, it remembered. It's intuitive. And I can never find it. Look, there's all these other Crypto Talks. Someone's going to have to send me the link. Oh, maybe the link is on Twitter. I'll go in and look at the link on Twitter. How about that? Because we're not ranked high enough on Facebook to be found, and we've gotten censored because they won't take the stream there anymore. And our own damn group. It's not our group. It's Facebook doing this stupid stuff. All right, so there's a bunch of people that wrote giveaway in here. I see all you guys. Wasn't it something that Rick sent me before? Shoot. I don't remember. I can't find the link for some. Oh, Jeff Prudence sent it to me yesterday. Here you go. Okay, there it is. We'll cover this up. All right, so here's the, since you asked, we showed it to you. Here's the, if you guys are still on Facebook, you're not completely free, but free speech is under attack is what my point is. But it's still a good platform, I guess, only because we're there, because you guys are there. Crypto Talk Now, spaced out, in parentheses, official page. We actually established this and we stopped streaming out of there because they stopped us. They blocked it. Ricky has posted this. I'm not sure what this is. Crypto Talk Now is created. I'm not sure what this is. All right. So this is from another news network. I'm not sure who it is, but all right. This week's strategy, short the hell out of these shorts. Okay. You be the judge. All right. This is a lot of chart type stuff. That's kind of funny. All right, so there you go. If you want to check it out, check it out. It's kind of funny because we don't talk about charts a lot here, but that doesn't mean that the contributors, you guys are contributing, so you can contribute anything you want. Keep it clean. Hump Not Dump is putting stuff in there. All right, for everyone to see. I just bought Chipotle with Doge. Oh, cool. That's funny. Which did you use to buy it with? That's the question. Did you use your Robinhood debit card, maybe? Hump Not Dump. Check out the story on all the places accepting cryptocurrency. Check our Crypto Talk page. And, well, there's some analysis on Bitcoin hitting 9K. Well, that would be spectacular. Great opportunity for so many if it went down that low. Hump Not Dump. Hit the like. Thanks. Coochie Boy. Exchanges are running out of XRP. Oh, wow. That's good to know. That'll increase the value, right? Supply and demand. Cool Cat Crypto. Tease Crypto Spot and Lift Capital are two great channels if you want to learn more about the ISOs. Okay, cool. Thank you. Hump Not Dump. You know what? Cool Cat, if you want to message them and ask them if they want to come on our network, we'll put them on. If you really believe in them, I trust you. Just tell them to message me on Crypto Talk Now 21 because I would prefer that they message me first. All right, Hump Not Dump. If we get 100 likes, I'll do a technical analysis on any project of your choice. All right, cool. It's giving you an incentive. Tally present lead. Matic, how far up do you think it could go? I have no idea. And you have to give me a time frame. Are you talking about the next 2 days, next 2 years, next 10 years? I need to know. I don't really know. I don't really like to make price forecasts. Because nobody really knows. You know, you don't. Sir William, Lunatics token is doing awesome. I heard that. That's good. I'm glad that if you guys are making money with it, that's cool. Selmo Fudd, XRP is family. If you're looking for financial freedom, get your keys. It will provide generational wealth, and it will keep you in sound health. Cool. I like it. I always like the rhymes that Selmo Fudd comes up with. It's always positive and fun. Hump Not Dump. The story about Chipotle is on our Facebook. Read it. Okay, cool. Yeah, definitely, guys, go read it. Cool Cat Crypto. I bet Lyft would do a show with you. Okay, cool. We'll message him on Twitter and tell him that we would be happy to have him on as a special guest. Whoops. I hit the microphone. All right. I'm sorry that if you guys are listening on your headset. All right. Hump Not Dump. The chart that you saw on Facebook, if you show the chart picture, I can explain why we're going to 9K possibly. Okay. Well, I'm about ready to sign off soon, but I would normally, but I got to go eat lunch. But next, come back tonight. I'll tell you what, just, I don't want to be rude to you, Hump Not Dump. I will show it. How about you come back tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and everybody else does too, and we'll go over that chart. I will put it up on the screen. You're just going to have to remind me again in the comments, and I will definitely do that. I'm not sure who this is, but appreciate you being here. TS, Saitama V3 USDC rewards. I'm not sure what that is, but thank you for being here nonetheless. All right. Thank you for that. All right. So, guys, please remember to do me one problem. Okay, so there. He says, yeah, no problem, brother. Yes, we'll have more time tonight. I promise you we will devote a segment to Hump Not Dump's chart analysis. As long as you, but look, remember, I have a bad memory, so you're going to have to just say it again in the comments. You're going to obviously have to be here. I'll throw it up on the screen, and you guys, or you can give us your dissertation on what's going on, and then people can react to it and see if they agree with you or whatever. Go to Chipotle, Larry, and buy with Bitcoin or Doge. That would be interesting. Yeah, I guess I would use a little bit of Doge. I wouldn't want to spend my Bitcoin, but that would be something. I guess I'd have to do it through Robinhood because it's one of the few ones that I have a card. I don't even use Robinhood anymore. I could throw money in there to try it out, test it out. I probably have like 19 bucks in Robinhood right now. Coochie boy, hit the like button, folks. Thank you. Selmo Fudd, Cool Cap, Tease Crypto is a comedian, but he knows ISOs. Okay, cool. Don't forget to come back. We've had a lot of beautiful people in here. We still have a lot of people, but I have to eat. So we will see you tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's always, wow, there's a lot of people in here, 138 people. That's great. It makes me feel like staying, but I really need to go. Sel, I freaking love T. He is so damn funny, and he knows a lot. Well, cool. Hump Not Dump. Read our Facebook page. I show people how to buy Chipotle with crypto. All right, let's look at it tonight. 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget, oh my God, it's Monday with Max. Monday night tonight. The Max and Larry show. Be here or be square or whatever, something like that. See you tonight. Thank you, guys.